Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today's video is all about jewelry making fun challenge that's hosted by Deb Houck over at Dahlia Designs. So each month on the 18th, she gives us a challenge that we're supposed to do, and this month, which is August of 2024, I believe, let's see if I can get this right. She wanted us to use dark blue chips and polymer clay. I think that's right. I'll write it down in the description box below. I'll have to look that up. But I was trying to think, what am I going to make? I didn't really want to make any jewelry, so I decided I would make an ornament. And it's an ornament that I can hang in my car. I could also just hang it around the house. I could hang it on a Christmas tree if I wanted to. But this right here, you could put essential oils on it and it makes things smell good. Let me take you on a close-up tour of it. All right, here it is. So I did not use polymer clay. I used terracotta clay instead. And if you're ever wanting to make something that you can put oils on, you don't want to use polymer clay because it is a plastic and the oils will break it down. Terracotta clay is perfect for that. And then I took some hemp and I crocheted. I left, probably about 6 inches or so before I started crocheting a chain stitch. And I had put these beads on first, left about 6 inches and crocheted a chain stitch. And it was, started out with 5 and I pulled up a bead, then 3 chain, pulled up a bead, 3 chain, pulled up a bead until I got all the way done. And then at the end, I left about another 6 inches. And then I just tied this pendant on there. And, you know, I have done this before. You could make a necklace if you want. I've got several necklaces that I have made. In fact, I probably have some videos on those. I'll have to look those up. And if I do, I'll leave a link to one of them at the end of this video. But the beads I chose to use, we have these sodalite chips. That's the navy blue. And then I used painted glass beads. And these are just some glass crystals. I used a total of 25 beads, alternating the sodalite chips, the painted glass beads, and the glass crystals. I left about 6 inches of the hemp on either side so I could go ahead and tie that pendant. I just took the hemp, tied it through and made several knots, and then I frayed the end. It gives it a little bit more of a boho look. Now this is what the other side of the pendant looks like. If you wanted to, you could actually make this double-sided, but I chose not to. I'd like to thank y'all for joining me, and I hope you go check out all the other participants. I will leave links to their channels down in the description box below. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.